I would just like to let y'all know that this will have a lot of dancing and songs. Look at this. A This game is called Fortnite Emote Dance. Well, Emote Dances Pop Lock. It's really easy to find a lot of these. Here's a lot of them, and then you didn't notice this one. Wow. Many T-pose. Yeah, that's what it really is. You're standing in a T-pose. I'll show y'all it now. Sonic. If y'all want to see Jubilation. If y'all want to see where one of the rarest ones are, comment down below. But actually, I'm just going to show y'all it right now. But first, I need to do this cool dance. And I'm smacking y'all. Y'all go back. I'm evil. And I'm smacking you again. So it looks like kissing, but still, older lady. Come on. Come on. This is where it is. The infinity whip. All you have to do is jump onto here and then just grab it. And then just like jump down and I don't want to go wrong with it. Hey, oh yeah. Oh, and this is what it looks like. It's called the infinity whip. No. It's called jubilation. And I have a lot of these. I started actually a few weeks ago, and I have all of these dances. Do y'all see this? This is almost every single one. I just need one more. It's Pop Lock. I know where it is, but like it's an obby that's really, really hard. It's so hard. You'll die the first jump. It's so hard. Oh, really plotty. Are you supposed to be really pretty? Because Lovely. Then TDM fans, I'm sorry if y'all have to see this, but it's amazing. Hey, you're loud. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Give me food. Come, come, come. Everyone knows we're all gonna die. I mean, here I go. Well, this is it. Yeah, this. Oh, hello, Mr. Squidward's house. Tin Man guy. Damn. Donate. What is that? Of course, it's 50 Robux. I don't have that kind of money. Prepare to jump. I know. That's why I do it. Infinity Dab. But sorry guys, it glitches sometimes. Just wanna let y'all know that. But yay! Hey! Made it! Yay, 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 yay! Hold on. Yeah, it's super hard to get over there. I've tried a million times. Never happened. Not once in my life. No, just kidding. It's happened once. My friend just left. Here are where all the normal dances are. So I need to try to get the Fortnite. I need two more actually. It's the default dance. Oh yeah, I want to show you this glitch or with the worm. So you have to be right here at this certain spot. You have to do it right now. And you see it opens and hey, look at that. It's normally not supposed to shut on you, but it just did. You want me to show y'all where all the cool dances are? Comment down below and I will. But I need to show you where the best dance is. Literally the best. Y'all love it, and here it is. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna show y'all. But it's amazing. And so let's go up here. Come on, guys, come on. Basically, there's an extra one in here. It's like, well, not like exactly in there, but it's sort of in there. It's sort of hard, and maybe you'll purple. So the infinity dab and praise the sun, guys. Two, or one, no, a few. Let's just praise the sun, guys. Praise the sun, guys. Yeah, guys, y'all better be praising the sun right now. Praise the sun. Praise the sun. Oh yes, praise the sun. Right. But guys, I love this part that's about to happen. Habadinya, habadigabiba, yeet. My mom just started singing it. Mom, you ruined the video. Woo! Oh, oh, that's horrible. It's horrible. Hey, oh, my friend from earlier. Roll quick. The clip. Sorry, I don't know how to say clip. But and I don't know how to edit. Hey, so did you want to play with me? Hmm. Okay. Ha! Oi. Oh wait, no, sorry. Oh, they don't have the moves like Jazz do. Hey, same time. Hey, see, come, come. Come. With the yay, 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 yay. Get it, boy. Oh. C-O-M-E. Come, 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 sir. Come, 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 come. Come on, come, come, come. C-O-M. Come. Da, 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 la, la. You coming? Come. Are you gonna come? Oh, you did not just do that. I'm going to try to get people the closest that they are. And come, 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 come. Are you coming? Come with me. Come with me. Oh, sorry. C-O-M-E. Come, 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 come. Come on. Let him do it. Is he gonna do it? I'm not seeing. Just putting him in. Shut. You do. You do. Lie my hands. Do. Hey. Hey. So, I meant to say that would be enough for this one. Bye. Please leave a big fat thumbs up and subscribe.